If you've ever wanted to make your Telegram channel feel more dynamic and interactive, posting stories, just like you can on Instagram or WhatsApp, might be at the top of your wish list. But enabling stories on a Telegram channel isn't quite as simple as flipping a switch. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to unlock and start posting stories on your Telegram channel, and I'll explain exactly what you need to do step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how the system works and how you can engage your audience in a whole new way. Let's dive in, starting with why stories aren't immediately available. Unlike a setting you just turn on, stories are part of a reward system. Telegram gives this feature only to channels that reach certain milestones called levels, and you move up by receiving boosts from your audience. So what are boosts? They're special little powers that only Telegram premium users have. Each premium user gets 4 boosts which they can donate to their favorite channels, and each one brings your channel closer to unlocking stories. So why is this system in place? It's Telegram's way of ensuring that channels posting stories have a dedicated, invested community. It prevents spam, and it helps stories feel more special when you finally unlock the feature. Now, for every new level you hit, your channel earns 1 extra story post per day, so there's even more reason to motivate your followers to help you level up. Alright, if you're a channel owner or admin, here's another important piece. Only those with the post stories permission can actually upload stories to your channel. If you're running a team, make sure to check your permissions. You don't want to prepare a story and find out you're locked out at the last moment. It's a good housekeeping step that can save a lot of confusion later. Now, since you can't just enable stories yourself, you'll need your community's help, and here's exactly how you rally them. Head to your channel, tap the 3 dots in the top corner, go to Statistics, and then to Boosts. You'll find your unique boost link, which looks something like t.me/yourchannelboost. Copy this link and share it in your channel, maybe pin a message or explain why boosting will benefit everyone. Don't hesitate to get creative. People often respond to a genuine message, maybe something like, "Help us unlock stories so we can bring you behind-the-scenes updates and quick news." If your channel has a dedicated following, a few premium users giving you a boost might get you to level 1 surprisingly quickly. So you've reached level 1, congratulations, this is where the fun really starts. Now, posting your first story is pretty straightforward. Open your channel and spot the little story icon, usually a camera or plus sign, in the top right corner near the edit button. Alternatively, from the main chat list, just tap the camera at the bottom, exactly where you'd go to create a story for your personal profile. Take a photo or select a video, jazz it up with the built-in editor, and then before posting, make sure you select your channel as the account to post from. That little post story as option is crucial. If you skip it, you might post the story as yourself instead of your channel. Always double check. Now let's talk about customization because Telegram stories offer some neat settings. You can choose how long your story stays visible: 6, 12, 24, or even 48 hours. Maybe you want to showcase a limited time offer or run a quick poll. Setting an expiration adds some urgency and excitement. Add reaction stickers so your subscribers can instantly let you know what they think, kind of like applause at a live show. And for you, as an admin, there's a bonus. You get detailed statistics for each story. You'll see how many people viewed, who reacted, and more, which helps you learn what your audience likes most. And that's how you unlock and enable stories on a Telegram channel. It might take a little teamwork at first, but it's a great way to reward your best followers and breathe new life into your updates. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, drop any questions you have in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward guides like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck building your channel's story.